Hi friends, let me show you my new Pets Best. It is great because it has different kind of messages that you can change. If you have a service dog, or you are training your dog, or it's a security dog, therapy dog, do not pet if for any reason your pet doesn't like other people to pet him. Emotional support, best friend, of course, whatever you want to put, okay? So you put this on your pet, okay? And you can change the signs here, okay? So you will be able to let everybody know if there's kind of a special, condition with your pet like this. It also has this beautiful leash. Let me show it to you. We have a female dog, that's why we order pink. As you can see, it's really nice. It's kind of flexible and it goes here. So we're going to try it in our pet and let you know how it looks. Thank you. As you can see, it fits perfectly. Of course, you can tighten it if you feel you need it. Okay. This is a medium size. And you can change the message that you want it to have. Okay. So, well, this is really nice. It looks pretty and it helps you so other people understand if your pet is in a special condition. Training, if he's your best friend, of course, if she's a companion dog, if she doesn't like to be pet, of course. So you can use it for any kind of pets and with different messages. Thank you.